Here's Okta, and today I show you finds what I found today at the shop. I bought some Hot Wheels again, and for the first we beginning with a 2015 Ford Mustang GT and 2018 Ford Mustang GT in bright blue. It looks very cool, this color. I love it. Both the one with Borla Tampo from High Speed Graphics, and the other is from Muscle Mania. You see here Muscle Mania. Yes. Yes, and the next will come the two same car twice from Night Burners series, and these are a 96 Nissan 180 SX Type X, yes, with advanced tempo on the hood, on everything, advanced tempo. Looks very cool, this car. I love it. Especially I love this flipping headlights, half closed. I love this look on this car. And after that, again twice, a Mazda Rapu with rotary motors. That's why called Rapu. Yes. And you see here from the Hot Wheels truck series the same car twice again. Looks very cool. I love it. I have the other car, the Datsun pickup truck, Datsun 620. Very cool car. And the other cars are Honda, again from the Night Burners collection, 6 of 10, custom 01 Acura Integra GSR. Looks very cool, this car. I love it. For customization I need some more from these cars, and that's why I bought so much from these cars. Again, a Ford Maverick custom. Looks very cool, from the factory fresh series Ford 4 from 10 cars. Yes. And the next will come here Ford Coronet. You see here Dodge Coronet Super B from 69. Yeah, looks very cool. I love this car, from the Hot Wheels Flame series. Sorry for not Ford, Dodge. It's a Dodge, definitely a Dodge. Okay. And the next will come this time is a Ford F-150. You see here from Hot Wheels Speed Graphics. Again, this series. Yeah, I love the car. And yeah, that's all, folks. I put a car again for that the set are not so empty. That's the K&N Ford F-150 pickup. It looks very good. I love it. Take a look inside. Blue glass. This car. K&N Tempo. Looks very and painted. You see here painted backlights. Looks very fine. Yeah, that's the cars I bought today. It's a short video. Have a nice day, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, and please give me a like, and see you next time. Bye bye.